Wahala don dey shele my people. I hear say problem don dey happen between Lagos Task Force people and Okada Riders inside Lagos, and this one dey happen inside Ajao Estate. I hear say that these police people just decide they won't go dey arrest Okada people. You will be say you know say your paper no complete, abi you will be say you go break the law. Now waiting then these people dey there they arrest. I no come know the whole bang, abi whoever this person be where police come go arrest. Before we go see, this guy don't go park in group of northerners. Say they won't come attack police, and as he be like this, they don't really destroy things. My people beg, make now follow me watch.
I beg if your routes they come Ajao, I beg no pass Ajao this night. I take God beg now. They don't keep police for inside the Ajao. Almost see the van. Task force versus Okada people. Almost see waiting they do police van. You know see waiting they do police van for inside Ajao Estate. And I heard they killed the policeman.
Problem there. I know say I don't dey talk this thing since. Say sooner or later, people go begin attack them, these police people. Because they go just they look them small and say, hey, you be police. The one when I do for answers, they don't do anything. I don't they talk and say, sooner or later, people go begin fight back because of an act. And this one I hear say they don't even kill the superintendent of police. Say because say wait, now this guy now carry this whole matter for head. See, I say stop the person before we go see this whoever the bandit and group be. Now there they collect this man gun, use and shoot him. Oh, now the reason. Person whenever use gun reach, I beg, I want to know how to shoot. They very certain say these people no be Okada Riders. These people they be bandit or Boko Haram. I they very certain say these people don't carry themselves all the way from north, come enter inside Lagos. And I hope say our governor they see this kind one. Because I hear say aside this one, I think I say okay fine, and I don't even commit crime. And I don't kill this kind man, and I go run go. These people no stop for them. They still go the police station. Go there, go they shoot people. And I say they don't shoot two people. Burn down this police station and the van. I beg they reach this whole thing because I they wonder on a short now only the arrest. I be now come inside Lagos, come terrorize people inside there. Because if they make me they wonder. Now I don't even they fear, but I see all these aboki what do they call them, bike riders. You were there inside Lagos, they fear them. Especially you will be saying you go enter their Okada, you know can go give them maybe the right money when I negotiate. Before you go see. They don't carry you, go put you for somewhere, kill you. Now so these people they do. So I hope say this one don't they happen now. It go turn to eye opener for our governors. May they find something to do before this thing will go out of hand. Lagos people make an idea at alert because this one way that this one's not come. As they don't get gun for hand now go they say a small thing, they don't kill this one, they don't shoot this one. Now so it go be now because these people we know say their own, they know they hear. If you even speak English from morning to night, the thing will they enter their ear, come aside. Now only their own language now they hear. So I don't know who be the Hausa person. We go follow these people talk for them to go return that gun where they carry. Before they go use and they cause destruction inside Lagos. Anyway, my people, I hear this one inside Lagos. Now I say make I bring and come. Make now stay tuned for our next story. This one now about one female army officer by name Chika Vaola Anele. This lady now, because of say she and a normal corps member begin get argument before we go see. Now there she start to dey maltreat this lady. Start to dey beat her, dey punish her because of say I follow you argue. But before I continue, make now follow me watch. I beg waiting be now crazy the worry this person have been waiting. Because I don't even understand. You get mad as an army. You go mix things, be an chemical, be an waiting. Be an sand, have been that you carry and they pour on top of a fellow copper. You don't forget say two of them are government property. You can't they do not be your fellow army you they punish you. A normal civilian don't be say she go there go serve. Say because say this why be say I don't know. Most of this military, especially inside this NYC of the camp, they sabi misuse their power. Especially on girls, you will be saying you girls go fine small. Make one army can't go do mistakes saying one toast you know can't go agree. I be some boy can't go even they near you. In fact, plus you and your friends, all of them just they receive unlimited punishment. Which you know so you not even supposed to be so. Because you be person on uniform, don't mean say you go dey misuse your power. Any small thing you don't come outside. But in fact, I even respect this copper. For say she even need down, at least thank God say you don't even go fight with this army. Make you no go kill you, use the vexation, take kill you. I thank you for that one, at least she dey respectful. But I go dey very happy if this lady self receive her own punishment times 10 of this one. Because this one wey she do, she just act very childish. I no go dey surprised say maybe na one boy she dey eye for inside the camp. Now wetin make two of them now come start to dey argue because of that one now you come start to dey beat this person. Carry the plastic dey use am knack. Abeg na craze dey worry you. Abi the igbo wey na dey smoke inside the military camp na don dey affect una. But anyway, I dey very grateful. Say they go do something. I no wan hear say they dey hide this matter. Because when they talk say una don punish, we won't see the punishment. We won't know wetin na give na. Be na dismiss, be na wetin. We go like know about this matter. Anyway, my viewers, I hear this one and now here I go end them for you. Make una stay tuned for our next story.